Hello everyone! There's a fair bit of confusion in the Ripple market about XRP, so I thought I would do a video on why I think it will be incredibly valuable in the future. First, let's review how international banking currently works. Suppose Blue Bank in country A wishes to join the world economy. They purchase physical currency off their reserve bank, put it on a plane or ship, and send it to Red Bank in country B. This allows Blue Bank to open a bank account with Red Bank, the same as if Blue Bank were any other person. When a bank holds a bank account with another bank, it is called a nostro account. Now that a bank in country A has a nostro account with a bank in country B, international money transfers are possible between people in country A and people in country B. Let's review briefly how that works. Alice in country B, a customer of Red Bank, wants to send $100 to Bob in country A customer of Blue Bank. Red Bank debits Blue Bank's nostro account for $100. Blue Bank credits Red Bank's nostro account for $100. Essentially, the two banks agree to adjust their ledgers to reflect the transfer. Bob now sees the $100 in his bank account with Blue Bank, and Alice now sees $100 less in her account with Red Bank. Currently, all international trade is carried out through a series of these nostro accounts. When two customers in different countries are with banks that don't hold nostro accounts with each other, the banks then use intermediary banks with whom they do hold nostro accounts. This is essentially the same banking system that has been used since Roman times. The big problem for banks with this system is the same problem anyone has with holding money in a bank: bank defaults. Each bank is an unsecured creditor to each other bank. If Blue Bank holds $5 million with Red Bank and Red Bank goes bankrupt, then that $5 million is a write-off. This is a counterparty risk. Essentially, with a nostro account network, all the banks owe money to all the other banks. Therefore, all they are really doing is trading debt instruments or IOUs. When someone defaults on an IOU, it becomes worthless. How does Ripple's XRP native digital currency help this situation? It's quite simple, really. XRP is like Bitcoin for banks. Suppose again Alice in country B wants to send $100 to Bob in country A. Alice's bank goes onto the local Ripple exchange and purchases $100 worth of XRP. It then instantly sends this XRP to Bob's bank, who then instantly sell it onto their local market. The banks adjust their ledgers to reflect the changes in the accounts of their customers. Alice's account is debited $100, Bob's account is credited $100. Simple. This means not only do these banks no longer need nostro accounts with each other, they have also eliminated their counterparty risk. The XRP asset is an actual asset, not a debt instrument. It can't owe anyone anything. It's as though the banks have now found a way to ship instantly physical cash between each other, almost for free, without any risk of it being lost or stolen, except it's digital. Even though the Ripple ledger includes a system of IOUs, which essentially can be used to encode the nostro network that banks currently use into the Ripple ledger, I believe in the long run, the allure of counterparty risk-free transfers will see most banks use Ripple's native digital currency for their international transfers. The benefits are immense. The same argument can be used for reserve banks and their settlements with each other. All things considered, XRP could become an extremely valuable currency. Thanks for watching.